Hello, my name is Laverne Cox. I'm going to the New York City Ballet Fall Fashion Gala. It is the 10th anniversary of the New York City Ballet Fall Fashion Gala. Yeah, that's perfect. 10 years ago, Sarah Jessica Parker had this great idea of bringing incredible designers in to design special costumes to the ballet to raise money for the ballet. Solange Knowles is making her debut as a composer for the ballet tonight.
I'm really happy with this. This is really gorgeous. Perfect, here we go, we got it.
It's a beautiful event. I love dance. I grew up dancing. I love ballet, and I love to support the arts. So when we're in couture and the dress doesn't stretch, getting into a car is a lot of fun. By fun, I mean it's scary.
You look beautiful.
Thank you. Told you. I think this is it.
And Laverne, what are you most looking forward to tonight?
Taking this dress off and putting on flats so I can really have fun.